like that. That's how it works. Hold on. Hold on. You broke my guy. Hold on. Time. No. Like a cat. Yeah. It's gone. Yeah, throw it on that woman. Hey, just throw it on that seat right there. It's going to float. Get you another gun, brother. Hey, you got to suck the water up and dip the tip. Suck it back. Yeah, like that. Fine, guys. Okay, guys, look. Okay, that's how it works. Guys, look. Don't squirt anybody in the face, okay? You put an eye out. Truly. It's pretty powerful. Number two, listen, hey, when you get excited, don't swing your gun. You'll hit somebody. Unless you want to hit Pittsburgh. Three, everybody wave at the GoPro. It will be on YouTube in a couple of days. It takes me about 3 days to get them all up, okay? You can grab it